My name is Brad Eliason. I'm going to be your personal guide. I'm going to show you how to catch some fish with some nymphs. First thing you want to do is go down to the local fly store and get your fishing license and a couple nymphs. Yes, I said a couple because you will lose them. Trust me. Now when picking your nymphs out, it doesn't matter the size or the color. The fish should eat it, but no promises. Now that you got your fishing license and your nymphs, go ahead and grab your fly rod and make your way down to the river. Now when you get down to the river, you want to try to find the perfect spot to start fishing to better your chances of catching the fish. You want to look for a nice slow spot that's got some ripples. The fish will be sitting here in the slow spot catching the food that comes out of the ripples. Now the next thing is where you stand. Doesn't matter if you stand above the spot, below the spot, or right across it. It's up to you. I like to stand right across the spot and toss my nymph above the ripples and let it float down to where the fish are feeding, hoping they'll eat it. Now, once you're at the spot where you want to stand, you're going to want to bunch a line out of your reels. Once you got that bunch of line out, you're going to want to toss your nymph where you want to fish. And just let it slowly float down to where the fish are. Now that your fly's in the water, you want to keep mending your line. Mending your line will keep the line above the fly so it doesn't scare the fish away. You want to mend it again, just keep mending it. Once you think you've mended it enough, you'll just mend it again. Just mend it again. Once you reach the end of your fishing hole, you're going to want to roll cast it back to the top. You'll just roll cast it back up, and then you'll mend it. And then you'll just mend it again, and mend it again, and once again. Once you think you've mended enough, mend it again. Because nymph fishing isn't about casting, it's about mending. Now, you'll have a bobber on your line. Your typical fly fisherman will call this a strike indicator, but really, it's just a bobber. But if it helps you sleep at night and make you feel better, go ahead and call it a strike indicator, but really no, it's just a bobber. Now, if that bobber makes any movement, you're going to want to set that hook. Even if it doesn't even look like it moved, and you think it, you want to set that hook. So, you just really want to set it. Don't beat around the bush, just set that hook. Alright, so when you set that hook, you're going to want to look at whoever you're fishing with and say, wow, that was a big one. Even if you know it hit the bottom, set that hook and say, almost had him. That was a big one. Now, if we aren't catching any fish, you're going to want to change the color of your nymph. And keep changing the color of that nymph until you start catching. So now, when you actually hook a fish, you're going to want to let him run and wear himself out. Once he gets himself worn out, you're going to want to start slowly reeling him in. Slowly let him reel, because if not, you'll break the line and he'll get away from you. So then, once you get him to the shore, you're going to want to bend down there and pick him up. And the next thing you're going to do is take a picture with him. But you want to make sure you get that fish real close to the camera and get yourself real far away. This will make the fish look really big, even if he's pretty small. Now, you want to just put him back in the water, make sure he goes off, and then you want to go home, post that picture online, and say, I'm a fly fisherman now, so all your friends can see that you can fly fish. Once you catch all the fish in this spot, you can go on and move to the next spot. But trust me,